Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best horse trailer mat on the market, the Rubber Cow Wide Rib Corrugated Rubber Floor Mat. If you're looking for durable, reliable, and comfortable flooring for your horse trailer or any heavy-duty application, this product is definitely worth your attention. This mat comes in a generous size of 3 feet by 20 feet and is just under 1/8 of an inch thick, providing the perfect balance between flexibility and toughness. Made from 100% synthetic rubber, specifically SBR, it is designed to handle both indoor and outdoor environments with ease. What makes this mat stand out is its wide rib corrugated surface. These ribs aren't just for looks, they maximize grip and safety, giving you excellent traction whether your horses or equipment are on the move. One of the standout features is how this rubber mat holds up against outdoor elements. Thanks to the SBR material, it resists the degrading effects of sun exposure and rain, which is essential for horse trailers that are often used in varying weather conditions. This mat is UV resistant and also guards against mold and mildew, keeping it in great shape even in moist environments. The design itself is inspired by classic industrial floors, which means it's built to endure heavy pressure. Whether you're loading heavy equipment or managing foot traffic in your trailer, this mat protects the underlying surface from wear and damage. This is especially important for wooden floors that can easily get scratched or dented. The underside of the mat features a textured surface to help it grip onto the base floor, reducing unwanted movement during transit. For temporary setups, you can also secure it further using double-sided tape to keep everything firmly in place. Another practical aspect is its affordability compared to other mats that offer similar protection and durability. It's a versatile solution that can also work as a kitchen runner or marine flooring, showing how adaptable this product really is. To sum it up, the Rubber Cow Wide Rib Corrugated Rubber Floor Mat delivers strong, slip-resistant performance and protects your floors whether you're using it for horse trailers, workshops, or other heavy-use areas. It's tough, weather-resistant, and easy to maintain with simple cleaning using non-caustic household cleaners. If you want to protect your investment and ensure safety and comfort on the road or in your workspace, this mat is a top contender. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews.